Hey everyone, in this video, we're diving deep into one of the hottest AI products on the market, which is the Sintra AI. So, since it's 2025 and with so many AI tools out there, you might be wondering if is Sintra AI really worth your time and money? So, in this video, I'm going to share my honest review after weeks of testing to give you a rundown of its features, strengths, weaknesses, and even how it stacks up against other platforms. So let's get started. First things first, what exactly is Sintra AI? So, in a nutshell, Sintra AI is a cutting edge generative AI platform designed to help creators, marketers, and businesses streamline their content creation and decision making processes. Whether you're generating marketing copy, brainstorming creative ideas, or automating routine tasks, Sintra AI promises an all in one solution powered by the latest in machine learning and natural language processing. So now let's proceed to the key features and functionality of Sintra AI. So Sintra AI comes loaded with a suite of features. I've personally explored many of them and here's what stood out. So first is the generative content creation. Sintra AI uses advanced language models to generate blog posts, social media content, ad copy, and more. So you simply input a few keywords or a brief outline and the AI produces content that's both coherent and creative. The second one is the customization and tone control. So one thing I really appreciated was the level of customization. You can set the tone, style, and even specify the audience. Whether you need a casual, friendly voice or something more professional, the tool adapts it. The third one is the automation and workflow integration. So the platform isn't just about writing, it integrates seamlessly with other tools. Automating workflows, for example, you can automatically schedule posts or sync generated content with your CMS. Second to the last one is the data-driven insights and analytics. So beyond content creation, Centra AI provides insights into engagement metrics and even suggests optimization strategies based on real-time data. So this feature is particularly valuable for marketers looking to fine-tune their campaigns. And the last one is the user interface and experience. So the design is sleek, intuitive, and very modern. The learning curve is minimal, making it accessible for beginners, yet it also offers advanced features for power users. Now let's also talk about how well Sintra AI works. So when talking about speed, the tool writes your content really fast, usually in just a few seconds, which is really great if you're on a deadline, especially if you're like in a hurry to make deadlines or due dates. So it's really nice. Now, for accuracy, in most cases, the content makes sense and it flows really well. Sometimes, if you're working on a very specific topic, you might need to do a quick fact check. But for everyday use, it works really well. And lastly is for reliability. So during my testing, the tool was steady and didn't crash. Just make sure you have a really good internet connection since it's an online tool. So overall, Sintra AI is fast, usually gives a good result and making your content creation process much more easier. So in this video, I'm also going to talk about the pros and cons. Since every tool has its ups and downs, here are the easy to understand pros and cons of Sintra AI. So first, we're going to talk about the pros. So first one is it's beginner friendly. The interface is clean and very simple, which is very perfect for new users and beginners. Next is it also saves time because it quickly creates content so you can focus on other tasks. And now for the third one is its customizable output. So you can choose the tone and style that best fits your needs. So you can really do whatever you want. It's customizable, as I said earlier, so you can choose whatever. Lastly is multitasking. So it helps with more than just writing. It can even assist with scheduling posts. And now let's proceed to cons. So the first one is it needs a little editing. So sometimes the text isn't perfect and you might have to fix a few details, but that's actually really normal because, that's just an AI. It's not 100% perfect, so you might have to adjust some few details. So for pricing, it might cost a bit more than some other basic tools. So keep that in mind if you're on a tight budget. Lastly is the internet dependent. So you really need a very stable connection to use it as it works online. So even with few downsides, the benefits are clear, especially for someone who wants an easy to use tool. And now let's proceed to comparison with other AI tools. So to put things into perspective, let's compare Sintra AI with some of the other AI tools content platform currently on the market right now. So talking about the feature rather, compared to other tools, Sintra AI offers a more comprehensive suite of features, from content generation to in-depth analytics. Other platforms might focus solely on one aspect, such as text generation or automation, but rarely both. And for its ease of use, many competitors have steep learning curves or clunky interfaces. Sintra AI design is a breath of fresh air for anyone who values a clean, intuitive user experience. And talking about the performance and speed, when it comes to generating content quickly, Sintra AI is on par with or even exceeds many other tools. It handles long form content effortlessly, I'm telling you. And for its pricing, yes, it's a bit pricier than other or some alternatives. However, if you factor in the range of feature and the time saved on content creation and editing, it becomes a worthwhile investment, especially for professional use. And now for my final take. So, after testing Central AI from every angle, the question is it worth it? So, first, if you're a content creator, marketer, or a business owner who needs an efficient, versatile tool that combines content generation with smart analytics, Centra AI is definitely worth trying or considering. And while the pricing might seem steep at first glance, the time and effort you save, plus the quality of the output, can quickly justify the investment. However, if your needs are very narrow or just an on strict budget, you might want to compare it against some more specialized and possibly less expensive alternatives. So at the end of the day, Central AI stands out in the crowded market by offering an all-in-one solution that's both powerful and user-friendly. So for me, honestly speaking, it's become an indispensable part of my workflow, and I believe it could be so for you too. So that's it for today's video. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!